Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth Silson. I hope you're all doing well. So on today's menu we have Ghana chips. Yes, Ghana chips or Chinchin. And I'm going to take you through the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So right here we have flour, all-purpose flour. I'm using 800 grams. Yes, because I'm doing this for the whole family. And I have a family of about 7 persons. 7 persons, so yeah. And this is my butter. This is about 300 grams, and this is about half teaspoon of nutmeg, and this is 1 teaspoon of salt. Here I have my blended onions and garlic, and right here is my water. Right, so let's get started. So we're gonna start by mixing the dry ingredients, the nutmeg and the salt. Gonna mix it well. Okay, so you keep mixing. You keep mixing. Guys, so this is the texture you get after mixing your butter with the flour. A sand-like texture, you see. Alright, so now we're gonna add the onion mixture. I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of onion and garlic blend, and we're gonna mix it. After mixing our onion blend, we're gonna add our water. So I've created a well in my flour, and I'm gonna add my water little by little. You add it little by little to ensure that you don't add too much. You know, your dough doesn't have to be very soft. It has to be hard so you can roll it well with your rolling pin. Guys, so you keep adding your water and mixing until you get your dough well formed like this. You can see, right? So until you get your dough well formed like this. Your flour, and then you sprinkle it on top of your working surface like this. You put your dough on top, and then you sprinkle a little bit on it, and then you roll. You roll it. So guys, you keep rolling until you get it very flat like this, okay? You take your knife and then you cut the edges off. You cut the edges off to get it like a square or rectangular shape. So guys, there are 2 ways about cutting your chips. If you want long strips, you can just go ahead and cut like this, long strips, okay? But if you want it short, then you can cut the strip much bigger like this. And then I like to take my scissors and then cut like this, like this, like this, okay? So you keep cutting until your dough is finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest, and I'll catch you later. Okay guys, so our chips is ready. We have our long strips and the short ones. So let's go to the next step. Okay guys, so I've preheated my oil. It's ready. So now I'm gonna drop my chips inside. Please make sure that your oil is hot, and then stir it. So make sure your oil is hot before you drop your chips inside, and stir them as soon as you drop them inside so they don't stick together. Okay. Okay guys, so when your chips looks golden brown like this, then you know it's ready. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our chips is ready. Your chips now you're ready. Look at that. These are long strips. You see? And then the short strips. So yummy, so very yummy. Please try this recipe at home. The entire family will enjoy it. Okay, so some people enjoy this with some coated groundnuts, okay, but you can enjoy this with any drink of your choice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get my next recipe. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Bye.